what portfolio you should choose should not be determined by how new you are to investment, but by how far away you are to your investment goal and by your level of risk appetite that you have. It's very tempting for me to advise a new investor into the financial markets to go, look, you're a new investor, therefore take less risk and go with a very safe, fixed income or bonds portfolio. It's very easy for me to say that. But I think what portfolio you should choose should not be determined by how new you are to investment, but by how far away you are to your investment goal and by your level of risk appetite that you have, right? Whether it's high risk appetite or low risk appetite. And I think you've got to look at yourself if you're a new investor to think, do I have a long time horizon? Do I have a long time to reach my goal, whether it's retirement or saving up for a house or getting married? Or is it, and what is my risk appetite? Am I somebody who's willing to take a little bit of risk to have the chance of reaching my financial goals slightly faster? If you're in the camp of, I've got a long time horizon, I can take a bit of risk, then an optimal asset allocation will be something like 70 to 80% in higher risk assets such as stocks, property, cryptocurrencies, in various percentages within that 70 to 80%, and 20 to 30% in safer instruments such as bonds, fixed income assets, etc. So for me, that's if you are somebody who can take a little bit of risk as well as have a long time horizon. Hi, my name is Han. I'm a co-founder here at Ringgit Plus and also a certified financial planner. So if you want to take control of your finances today, why not consider Ringgit Plus Advance? No product sales, no judgment, just an affordable online one-on-one financial planning service just for you.